You're under arrest, Daunte. Just stay back. You did?
Yes!
Okay.
I shot him! Oh my God!
Okay. Kim, sit down.
PI access 63rd and Catherine Drive, fled from 38 stop, start north on the red.
Starting north on the red, then can you repeat your first 30 seconds?
Yes!
Okay.
I grabbed the wrong fucking gun! I shot him! Oh my God!
Okay. Kim, sit down. Okay.
Starting north on the red, then can you repeat your first 30?
3205, we got shots fired. Start more units, please. We're going to need additional units to Noble and 63rd.
Just breathe.
Yep.
Are you okay? Just breathe. Just breathe.
Reach your 19-7 at gunpoint, 63rd and Catherine Drive.
Copy 1, I just 26
Okay, Kim, take a breath, okay?
Just breathe.
Civilian car injured as well. As soon as we get additional cars, I'll check for injuries. Suspects are not compliant, they're moving it.
No, you're not. Just
Emergency traffic from all 1 on the unit.
Oh my God!
Kim, that guy was trying to take off with me in the car.
okay.
3205, can you start some additional supervisors from other agencies, please?
He's still.
Yeah,
Crystal's en route. 4142 en route. Not locked in route.
Yeah, Kim, take a breath, okay?
6 en route.
Kim, take a breath. You're all right, Kim.
Reach tonight, it will take 2 rigs, stage them a couple blocks out.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Copy, stage couple blocks up.
Driver, stop breathing.
Driver not breathing.
No.
I'll take an additional squad and we'll yank him out. But get him here on the rest. I'm by myself, holding him at gunpoint.
Kim, take a breath. Kim, breathe, okay?
We can get the road shut down, westbound.
Yeah, just park
I'll take it there.
my squad, not yours. Park with my squad.
Northbound on 63rd.
Kim, take a breath. Kim, you're okay. Take a breath, okay?
Reaching, I can make it 3 rigs. I got 1 male not breathing, 1 female with facial lacerations, and then I've got another civilian car that I have not been able to check on yet.
Copy, 3 rigs.
In 3205, we'll take anybody that's available. We need additional help.
5153, I'll be arriving.
5153, copy.
Squad, come to me at 63rd Catherine so we can get the driver out and the passenger, and then we'll have to check on anyone else after. But the driver is not breathing according to the passenger.
Oh my God! What have I done? What have I done? Oh my God!
Several Brooklyn Park units are arriving.
1405.
Yeah, we're all right.
Passenger's moving around. I can't see him, so we're going to need to extricate him if he's not breathing. So I'll wait for additional to come up with a plan. Three 207's arriving.
Okay.
1406.
Hey, Anthony, I need just sit down here, okay?
3219, the suspect I'm at gunpoint at is a flee from 38 stop.
Working on it.
Hey, both you guys, okay. Are you anything injured?
3207, whoever's got a bunker, come on up to Catherine, 63rd.
Oh my God.
700 for domestic, 15-year-old son, 2624 94th Avenue. 4142 arriving.
Working on it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Daddy, can you go call Chuck for me?
Yep, hey, Kim, as soon as we're code 4 here, I'm going to get all that taken care of for you, okay?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'm just, take care of that first, and then I'll need somebody. Take a breath, okay, Kim? Take a breath.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Stay right here. Stay right here, okay?
Oh my God.
Kim, I'm going to take this, but give you mine, okay?
No, just let me
No.
kill myself, Mike.
No, that's not happening, Kim. I'm giving you my gun, okay? I'm just going to hold on to yours. All right? Kim? We'll get it all figured out, okay?
I don't know. I don't know what's happened.
Okay, Kim, sit down, breathe, okay? My gun in your holster
I
for
don't
you,
know what
okay?
happened. Okay. I don't know.
But can you come over and sit by Lucky?
Yeah.
Right?
I shut the camera off after.
I'm still rolling.
It's fine. I don't.